So today is the 22nd of May 2023. We have,
Unikkotie.
Yeah, Violvägen 10, steg C. And we have filmed the steg to C and B here before. And this is here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, Helsinki, Swaz region, modernized Finland. It's a very important day because Vantaa is going to make the decision about building the light rail line here in Vantaa, finally. And this is built in 1970, ValmetSchlieren turned 50 years old in 2020. December is VS 2213, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. The best is 3 purses or 2 photographs, and we can take 2 eyes here. And just the interior is generic here. Too bad they changed it, but the light is original. Or and the lamp, I mean the shade. Also, Unikkotie and ValmetSchlieren is also where the light rail line is going to be.
Yeah. Inspected by Lift Control Finland, maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun HIS-keskus.
Yes. You don't have to do it, it's unnecessary, but I like to do it sometimes.
Yeah.
It's too bad the alarm bells were changed to generic ones.
Yeah.
That should have been original.
That's